Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Olga is here. For those of you who haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel. Please hit the bell as well to get the latest notifications about the videos I post out there for you guys. So this video is totally like spontaneous, non-scripted, none of that. I just wanted to film it while this sale is still going. I'm a little bit late to the game. We had this going on last week. I actually didn't go shopping to refill my empties until this weekend. I went into the Clackamas Town Center Sephora and I used this coupon right here, and the sale is still going. I'm hoping to get this video uploaded while it's still going. If not, let this be maybe like a little bit of an educational video on skincare and things like that to those of you who are interested in great skincare. I'm not just approving the product and not using it, but I am indeed using it in my everyday skincare. So I'm going to show you my empties. This is the Drunk Elephant Bee Hydra. As you all know, I use this on a daily basis. I have more empties, but previously I used to just throw them away. Right now I keep them basically for these videos and for like references. This stuff actually lasts me a long time. I know it is spendy, it's like $55. However, it lasts me roughly about anywhere from 8 to 9 months because you don't need a lot. A little bit goes a long way. Another favorite and the empty that I have gotten and refilled, the bag is sitting right here behind me, is this Belif cream. Like I said, I used to have more empties, but I used to throw them away, and I wish I didn't do that because I would actually show you like the leaning tower of the empties. The other product that is really a favorite of mine is this Truth Serum by Ole Henriksen. I love this product in the morning. I apply it in the morning skincare routine, and of course, Sunday Riley Good Jeans. This is the small one that comes in that pack with Luna oil, so this is on a smaller size. This particular size will last you it lasts me about 2 months, so you have to be careful. You don't need a lot. You need a very small dollop of product on your fingertips and you just work it into the skin. If you have good skin and you want to have this product last you a long time, you just need to apply to the problematic areas on your skin. So if you have like discoloration on your skin, or if you have any kind of areas that are really bothersome to you, you can use it sparingly like that. The reason it's like this is because I was trying to like destroy this bottle after I was done. I wanted to see if there was anything left so that I would use up every last bit of the product, since this is not a cheap product. And so you see me like I was trying to yank this pump out, and what this is, it's like it seems to be that the pump tube is sitting inside of the baggie, kind of like a cellophane bag, and the bag is fed into this bottle right here. And so when you are pulling the product, I think that the bag is just kind of like shrinking around the tube, so you can actually get every last bit of product out of there. So that's basically it. I'm sure there's a little bit of product if I like cut the bag and try to get into the nitty-gritty of the bag and try to get every last bit of the product out of there. So right now I'm going to show you all of the stuff that I have purchased. It is a heavy bag. Yes, I spent quite a bit of money on it. However, these semi-annual sales is what I always wait for. And yes, I believe you have to be VIB member or VIB Rouge to be able to access them. I would be honest with you, because I keep rebuying these products from Sephora, it is really logical for me that I would continue keeping up my status so that I could get a discount on these products. Because these products, when I do purchase something like this is going to last me pretty much a year's time. So yes, you can look at it this way and say, oh, but the product costs you $100. Yes, it does, but if we break it up into 12-month period, or roughly so, you will find that it really isn't that expensive. I mean, it is expensive overall, but because the product will last you a long time, you're not going to go through it in a month. If you're doing that, girl, you need to stop, because you are using way more product than you need. So let's go ahead and dive into the bag and see what I got. So this time I bit the bullet and got a larger size because me and my hubby, we looked at the price per ounce and we kind of established that it's better deal to get a larger size. Even though this particular size actually lasted me a long time. I mean, I kid you not, I had this since January. We are now in the month of April and I just ran out, and I'm pretty sure I was using this nearly every day. 1.7 fluid ounces right here in this product. The Truth Serum, I apply this product in the morning. So the other thing I got, this is a new product for me. I have not used this, but during springtime, I noticed that my skin, particularly my legs and like my knees and heels, are really dry. And I wanted to have an effect of this cream that I have on my face. I wanted to have something similar to that effect on my body. So I went ahead and I bought this Belif Body Bomba body lotion. I haven't used this product. I don't know how it's going to perform. This is a new product for me, but I am going to definitely report to you. So like if you want to see a follow-up video on this, do tell in the comments and I will definitely make a follow-up video. So this is called Body Bomba Ylang, something like that. I'm sorry, I mispronounced this. This is terrible. So I will let you know. Let me just take a sniff. This smells really nice. Like, I don't like certain lotions, things that are sold over the counter, I don't really like because they have such repelling smell. I don't like when the product has overpowering smell and things like that. I also got a new beauty blender because my two beauty blenders that I have are really on their final leg and they're kind of falling apart and they're getting gross, so I don't want to use them, and that's that. Now I got the Sunday Riley Good jeans. This is a biggest. I've never had this particular size before. This is what it looks like. This is 1.7 fluid ounces in this bottle. So as you can see, it's quite large. I'm really expecting this to last me a long time, and I'm going to what I'm gonna do is I'll probably start like a log or something, and I will start the date when I started using it and use it every day and see how long it actually lasts. Then what I had noticed was we were passing the GlamGlow counter, and I'm going to attach the picture of that, and I just couldn't. Okay, so I have kind of like a love and hate relationship with this particular brand because I've used GlamGlow in the past. I have their kind of like the oil and the clay mask product that I've used. It used to sit in my shower for a very long time and I liked it. But then GlamGlow started doing these kinds of weird things with glitter in their masks, and glitter is not a biodegradable stuff. Like, it's not environmentally friendly. This brand is having a lot of pushback because of that. I myself kind of feel weird. This is supposed to be like a treatment for my skin, yet I'm gonna be rubbing in the glitter. So I kind of have love-hate relationship with it. But the reason I got it is because I'm a huge fan of My Little Pony. I love the fact that they had paired up with MLP to bring us this product right here, and there was like a Pinkie Pie one, Twilight Sparkle, and I picked the Luna, and I just love this marketing idea. I mean, I know it's totally marketing this, you know, so if I say to you I approve this product, it would be probably, I would be biased towards My Little Pony. So I am going to make a follow-up video, and actually I'm going to do research on this product and see if it's actually a good product. And then we're going to have a talk. So GlamGlow, we're gonna have a talk about this, about glitter in your products and all of that. What are you doing? What are you doing to the environment? So here's another Be Hydra Intensive Hydrating Gel by Drunk Elephant. This is to replace these guys right here. And like I said, this is gonna last me a long time. Then I went ahead and I got the because I like standing in line. Okay, I grew up in the former Soviet Union, and everywhere we went when I was a kid, there were huge lines. Like, if you saw the line, you stood in it and you didn't know if you're standing there for something good or something bad. You didn't know what kind of stuff they would have, like, you know, pineapples all of a sudden in the middle of winter they're selling because they somehow got imported into Soviet Union. So people at the end of the line are like, ooh, what are we standing here for? I don't know, it must be good, we better stand in line. So I have this kind of like a thing where I appreciate standing in line. Maybe other people get bothered by that, they don't like being in lines. It's totally not me. I love standing in line because that gives me an opportunity to look at other stuff all around me. And Sephora, as you know, has all of these minis, kind of like where you're standing before you make a payment and all of that. So there, all of these minis are sitting, and it's, yes, we all know that it's a total waste of money because you're buying small amount of product, you're buying these basically luxury samples, and you're probably overpaying per gram basis. But because I was standing in that line, I got this mini chocolate chip palette. And I know it's small and I could have gone, you know, an extra step and gotten the large one, but I got it because, let me just show you what I have here. A long time ago, as one of those, you know, like 500 point samples or kits, I got this guy right here. And unfortunately, I mean, this is what it looks like, and I loved it. And so ever since then, I don't think this ever was available like this for sale. Maybe I'm wrong, so do correct me if I'm wrong. Maybe this is available like this. But I kind of fell in love with the concept, and even though right here you can see that all of these guys are very small, and you can say that, ooh, my brushes are not gonna fit in there. But like if you are on a go, let me just show you. Like if you are on a go and you need to create like a quick daytime look, you know, that you're going to work, this is perfect. And I use Wayne Goss brushes, and they are small. Like this is the brush number 6, and it's like perfect. It fits into these little corners and things, and like I can create a quick crease and like a quick brow highlight, like you know, with this bone highlighter and things like that. So this is pretty much why I got it. Let's go ahead and take a look and see what it looks like inside. No doubt it's gonna have more shadows than, you know, the one that I just showed you, but I kind of got it because I kind of craved that little square size, and this totally reminds me, oh yeah. So this is what it looks like, and oh my gosh, I love the smell. So okay, Too Faced, I just have to say, when you launched the chocolate bars, this was a huge hit. You know, this was huge, and I wish that you kind of Too Faced, you kind of went back to this kind of stuff, like let go of all of the rainbows and unicorns. Even though I love MLP, I don't want to see any more like mermaids or rainbows or unicorns and things like that, and just go back to the solid Hershey bar. I want to see this kind of stuff, and I know they still have them. This is like their permanent part of collection, but I want to see things like that. You know what I'm saying though? This is what I love. This is what I love. These are your colors. This is what it looks like. I'm definitely, it's a keeper. It's definitely a keeper. I love that. So, and of course the last product that I need to show you is of course the True Cream Moisturizing Balm right here. This is a staple in my skincare routine. It's not going anywhere. And yes, so that would be it. I mean, on the grand scheme of things, it does not look like a lot. This is not any kind of a galore of product, but this is not cheap either. These are fantastic products. They are amazing. Amongst good, true friends, we have some new friends. Hopefully I will become friends with you. Do you think so? Do you think I'll like it? I will report to you on my findings and see if that works. And there will be a separate video on this. I want to dig a little bit deeper into this product and see what I think of that. Although the thought of applying glitter on my face, even though I do love glitter and eyeshadows and all of that, but using it as a treatment kind of makes me cringe a little bit. That's what it was all about, replacing my Empties. With all of that said, guys, thank you very much for tuning in. Please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And I will see you all in my next video, guys. I love you. Bye.